All right, so we got a GE dishwasher. There's the model number there. And if you go to press any one of these buttons and the lights no longer come on anymore, then this repair is for you. So you're gonna remove the door hinge cables, disconnect the electrical cord down here. You're gonna be replacing the harness in the door. There's an upgraded main control board here. There's the part number there. And an updated UI that the personality has already been preset on. I'm gonna be replacing all three of these parts. First things first, open this door and take off this vent seal there. That's how you take that off. Secondly, you're gonna remove the inner screw on that side. There's one on this side too, and then the outer as well. On some models, you might have to remove these screws that go right there on the inside of the hinges. All right, next thing, you're gonna hold this and push this outward, and it's gonna release. Just like that. There goes the harness right here, and there goes the UI. Accessing the UI. This piece here. If it comes with these instructions, then you have to preset the personality. These are the personalities right here. So this instruction sheet says, use the tables located in this document to identify the proper jumper configuration for the replacement control board. So we don't have a GE front control model, GE profile top and front control models, cafe models, not a cafe profile, and monogram LCD models. So this is not a profile or monogram LCD. This is a GE and profile front and top load control. So this is how the personality jumper is going to be set there. On the back of this sheet, you're going to identify your abbreviation of your model number, first few letters and numbers, and this will tell you where these jumper pins are supposed to be on this UI. So on this board here, this is what they're talking about. You can pull these off and set them on there, and these orders there. So here, our model number is Delta Tom 595 Sam. So we're gonna find Delta Tom. So here we are on 14. Delta Tom 595. Delta Tom 595. So this is where our personality jumpers are going to be set. On 8, we're going to have the entire sleeve covered. On 4, the entire sleeve covered. On 2, the entire sleeve covered. On 1, it's going to be off a bit. So here, I'm going to pull these off and put them exactly how they're supposed to go on there. This is what they look like. Can't get them mixed up. So here we have our personality jumpers set, just like this picture here. Make sure these are identical, because if not, this is not going to work. All right, so last part is the main control board. It's going to be up in here. And to access this, you're going to remove this front cover. You're going to unplug this electrical, just like that. Make sure that this electrical is off. Make sure that it can't shock you or anybody else. Unscrew these 2 screws back here. It stayed in there. Drop that down. You got 2 screws on both sides. One there, one there. So now this is dropped. We're gonna go ahead and take out these gold screws right here. one on each side. So here's the new control board next to the old one inside this panel. You got these little white push tabs in here to release this. You got 3 electrical connectors. There we go. There goes the new board next to the board that's already there. All right, so now we successfully turned the power back on, and we got a working dishwasher.